I want you to be honest with yourself for a moment. Have you ever felt like you're working so hard, but nothing is happening? Maybe you've been going to the gym for weeks, but the mirror looks the same. Maybe you've been grinding on a business for months, but your bank account hasn't changed. Maybe you're studying a new language every single day, but you still struggle to speak. It's a terrible feeling, isn't it? You start to doubt yourself. You think, maybe I'm not good enough. Maybe I'm just wasting my time. Maybe I should just quit. We live in a world that loves instant results. We want our food in 30 minutes. We want that package delivered tomorrow. We want success right now, but nature doesn't work that way. And neither does your life. So, if you're on the verge of giving up, please, listen to this story first. It's the story of the Chinese bamboo tree. Deep in the forests of China, there's a very special farmer. He's not like other farmers who plant beans or corn and harvest them weeks later. No, this farmer has a dream of growing Chinese bamboo. He takes a small seed, plants it in the dark soil, and begins to water it. In the first year, he wakes up early every morning. He carries water from the river. He pulls out the weeds. He makes sure the soil is perfect. And at the end of that first year, he sees nothing, no sprout, no green leaf, just bare, brown earth. The second year comes. The farmer continues his work. He waters the soil every single day. He protects the spot from pests. But at the end of the second year, still nothing. The neighbors begin to whisper. They say, "Look at that fool, he's watering dirt. Nothing is ever going to grow there." The third year passes. The farmer is tired. His back hurts. He starts to question himself. Am I crazy? He thinks. Is this seed dead? But he keeps watering. The fourth year passes. Still silence. Still no growth. Imagine the faith required to continue for 4 years with absolutely zero evidence of success. 4 years of hard work. 4 years of sweat. 4 years of people laughing at you. Most people would have quit in the second year. Almost everyone would have quit in the third. But the farmer remembered a lesson he learned from his father. Just because you can't see it, doesn't mean it isn't growing. So, the fifth year begins. The farmer goes out to water the patch of dirt, just as he has done thousands of times before. But this morning, something is different. He sees a tiny crack in the soil. A small, green shoot, no bigger than his thumb, pokes its head out of the ground. The farmer smiles. He was right. But what happens next is a miracle. In the next 6 weeks, that tiny shoot doesn't just grow a few inches, it explodes. In just 6 weeks, the Chinese bamboo tree grows to a height of 90 feet. It grows taller than the farmer's house. It grows taller than the trees of the neighbors who laughed at him. It becomes a towering giant, strong and flexible. Now, let me ask you a question. Did the bamboo tree grow 90 feet in 6 weeks? Or did it grow 90 feet in 5 years? The answer is, it grew in 5 years. Because if the farmer had stopped watering it in year 1, or year 3, or even in the 11th month of year 4, the tree would have died. During those 4 years of silence, the tree wasn't sleeping. It was growing underground. It was developing a massive, complex root system. It was spreading its roots deep and wide, anchoring itself into the earth. Why? Because a tree that's going to be 90 feet tall needs a foundation that is rock solid. If it had shot up in the first year, the first strong wind would have blown it over. It needed the time underground to handle the success that was coming. So, look at your life right now. If you are working hard and seeing no results, you are not failing. You are just in the root building phase. You are building the foundation for something massive. Don't let the silence fool you. Don't let the neighbors who laugh at you stop you. Keep watering. Keep showing up. Your 90 feet of growth is coming. If you're ready to keep watering your dreams, write "I will grow" in the comments below. Subscribe to The Hopeful Tree for more stories of resilience. Stay patient. Stay hopeful.